How to draw a rectangle in TradingView. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to draw a rectangle on TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged into it. Now you want to create a starters list. So what you can do is go ahead and click on the starter list at the top right corner right over here, and then go ahead and click on starter list. Now once you do that, it's going to create your listing on TradingView. Now what you can do is zoom in with your mouse to view a specific area that you want to put inside the rectangle. Now once you zoom into the specific area, on the left hand side you'll find this little icon. Just go ahead and click on that. And once you click on it, you can find this pattern called ABCD pattern. You can just click on it, drag your cursor from A to B, then B to C. And once you've done that, you can drag it over up top to make it a rectangle. This is the first method. The other thing you can do is you'll find this brush icon right here. You can click on it, and then right below there, you'll have rectangle. Just go ahead and select rectangle and start dragging your mouse over to it and create the rectangle. Now, once you do that, you can save it as a template of your choice. And once you have made your rectangle successfully, on the top right, you can change your color, you can change the width, and many more. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.